Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol EYEG. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're new to charts and not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. So if you go there, I'll explain in detail. Well, I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Quite the eventful day today, not only from a price action point of view, but you look down here at the volume, and well above average volume on this one today, and a lot of eyeballs on it. A pretty rough move. Made the gap up and started to get running during the first 30 minutes. Price made a great move up, and then this is what we would call essentially a little gap and trap here as the price then totally just rolled back to the downside. And that's what brings about the level that by no means is this some sort of great discovery on my part. I assure you, anybody that uses charts, understands charts, is going to be watching this level right here at essentially $6.60. And I bring all that up because when a lot of eyeballs are watching the same level and wondering the same thing, call it a self-fulfilling prophecy, call it whatever you want, it can produce some very dynamic price movements, and that's exactly what's going on here with the 660. I mean, you go through the history of things, and you can see acted as support a whole bunch of times. So that is definitely the key level of support going forward. And some of those eyeballs that are going to be watching this level are the shorts, because if the price can crack through there, well, then at that point, there's some room to run. I mean, to the downside there. So that is definitely a very important level to watch from the support side. But to be fair to the bulls, so far so good. That level is definitely held up very strong. Now, in the event this is some sort of bottom and the price decides to try to bounce back upwards, where are these levels of resistance at? Initial level of resistance is just essentially the top portion of this channel here that formed today, and that's right up there at the $7.50 mark. If $7.50 can be broken, next key level to watch after that would be right up there at the $8 mark. So $7.50 and $8, the next couple of near-term levels. If the price can get up above $8, then yeah, there's some opportunity for the price to get moving again. However, one hurdle at a time. And, first got to get above $7.50 and $8. And then also, of course, still got to stay above $6.60. Because if that doesn't hold up, then yeah, things could very quickly drop down to, well below $6. But so far, so good. It's holding strong there. So next week's definitely going to be pretty interesting. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.